Hello viewers at home, welcome back. This is Mr. Kazim, the science teacher in third year MOTORSTOLIC. I'm taking grade 8, and today our topic is static electricity. We are going to discuss about static electricity. What is static electricity? A static electricity is an imbalance of electrical charges within or on the surface of a material. What are they trying to say here is that we mostly experience this in our daily activities. Maybe in a situation whereby you want to comb your hair. By the time you are combing, you'll be hearing some static when you are combing. So this thing is by the process of static electricity, or maybe in a situation whereby you wear a suit and you are trying to pull the suit off. Inside the suit, there is a material that is being used for lining there. That material, by the time you are trying to pull it, it will be as if it sticks to your body. So by the time you are trying to pull the suit off, you will hear some cracking. So this occurs as a result of static electricity. So this is another one type of electric charge. We have two types of electric charge. We have positive charge and we have negative charge. The next one, method of electrifying. Number one, we have charging by rubbing. The charging by rubbing says this is the process by which two different materials acquire different charges when they rub on different materials, e.g. glass rod rub with silk, or plastic rod rub with wool. If you take a glass rod, if you rub it on a silk, we all know what is silk. Silk is like our cloth. It's made of silk material. So if you take a glass rod, if you rub it on a silk material, it will acquire positive electron. But if you take a plastic rod, if you rub it on a wool, we know what is wool. If you rub it there, you will get a negative electron. So that is charging by rubbing. The next one, number two, charging by contact. Says is the process by which a charged object contact with a neutral object. They both have same charge, that is aluminium being in contact with metal ball. When you take aluminium, when you use it to touch a metal ball, aluminium, I will rub this place off so that I can make a brief explanation on this charging by contact. So when you take aluminium with a positive charge, when you take aluminium with a positive charge, that is, this is aluminium with a positive charge. Let's say this is aluminium. This is positive charge. And this is a metal ball. This is metal ball of a neutral charge. But this aluminium has 10 positive charges on it. So now if you take this aluminium with the positive charges and make contact with the metal ball, so this aluminium will transfer 5 of these electrons to the metal ball, in which they are going to share 5 electrons each. That is, you can see it here. And this also we have 5 electrons. So that is charging by contact. So the next one, charging by conduction. Say this is the process by which a neutral charge body gain a positive or negative charge from another charged body without touching the object. this one, let me make a brief demonstration so that you can understand. This is 2 meter ball standing on insulator. We know what insulator is. This is another metal ball. Touching the first metal ball. This is, let's call this a metal ball A and metal ball B. We have insulator. Yeah. So now, if you take aluminium of positive charge close to these 2 metal balls, that is aluminium with a positive charge like this, close to this metal ball, then you will discover that these 2 metal balls will acquire 2 different electrons from the aluminium. So now this comes here. So now the first metal ball will acquire a negative electron, while the second metal ball will acquire a positive electron. In other way around, you can see we have positive. If you look at here, we have plus, minus, then plus. If you notice in our law of magnet, says like pole repel and unlike pole attract. That is, if you have like a magnet of the same side, like north and north or south and south, if you are trying to bring them together, they will never get in contact with one another. They will be pulling away. Each time you are trying, they will pull out. They will pull out. But if you take north and south, if you try to join them together, they will attract one another. So now, if you notice here, we have the aluminium, which is positive. By the time the first metal ball generates the electron from the aluminium, generates negative electron, and the second one will generate what? A positive electron. So that is charging by contact, charging by conduction. So, but in a situation whereby the aluminium, depending on the type of material you rub with the aluminium, if you rub with a silk material, possibly you will get positive electron. But if you rub with a wool, possibly you will get what? A negative charges on the aluminium. So, if you have negative charges on this aluminium, maybe if you rub with wool, so the sign here will change. It will not be like the first one. So this is A, this is B. So if you take this aluminium close to this metal ball, so you will have a positive electron first here, and the second one will generate a negative electron. So you have like minus, plus, then minus. The first one gives us plus, minus, plus, while the second one gives us minus, plus, minus. So I think this is a short summary on static electricity. So you can, if you have any comments, you can go to our YouTube channel www.tendercareMotorStolic.com. Then you can drop your comment in the comment section below. So this is where we are going to run this up. So see you in the next class. Bye.